Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to push your code to GitHub from Visual Studio Code. So first I need to open the Visual Studio Code and I will go to the Explorer and I will open a folder. I have already created a folder with name staging. Okay, let me just add a folder over here. Okay, the folder has been added. Now what I need to do, I need to go to the source control. Okay, so the first step is to initialize the repository. So you need to go to the source control. Okay, and then you have to click initialize repository. Okay, the second method of doing this step is just go over here and command this, and you just need to type initialize. The moment you will type initialize, you will see initialize repository. Okay, so once you're going to click initialize repository, a folder will be created inside your project directory. Okay, the folder will contain all the configurations, so it will keep track all the changes you will make for your project. Okay, now let me uh, click initialize repository. So the moment you will click initialize repository, a .git folder will be created inside your project directory, but it will not be visible for you. Okay, so this is the file. So I'm going to push this code as it is without doing any changes. So now the next step is to do commit and push. Yes, I want to do commit and push. Initial message and then accept commit message, save this. Okay, this is doing commit and push. You just need to wait until this is done and dusted. Meanwhile, what I need to do, I need to open the GitHub account. So I'm going to show you the existing directories right now. If I go over here, your repositories, if I go and see, there are total 15 repositories right now. So what I am doing, I'm doing the commit and push operation right now. Just close it, and next I need to publish this. Okay, publish this branch. So once I'm going to click this, what will happen, the repository will be created. I want to create this repository as a public repository. So create this and look, publishing to GitHub, uploading files, and it is pushing code to the GitHub. And now I'm going to refresh, and you will see total 16 repositories. Okay, and now next step is to do the changes in the code. If I open the CSV file, you will see employee ID. So next I'm going to change the name of this employee ID. So I need to go to the Explorer, and over here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change the name to emp_id. After that I will close this and I will go to the source control and I will do commit. First I will do commit. No, let's do commit and push. Okay, yes. So now here you're going to provide the message. So the message is going to message will be, I have changed the employee name name to, sorry, employee ID to emp_id, and then I will just accept commit message. Yes, look, commit and push is happening at the moment. Now I need to see the changes. Look, the original file was like this with name employee_id. Okay, now just go to the staging repository again, open the file, and you will see the change over here. Okay, if you see the changes, look, I have changed the, this is the first change. I have changed the employee ID to emp_id. Look, So this was the old version with employee underscore ID, and this is the new version. Okay, so this is keeping track of all the changes. So these changes will be done in the .git repository, which is the hidden repository located in your project folder. So I hope you have gone through the process of pushing your code to GitHub. Thank you so much. At the end, I would request you to please like, share, and subscribe.